Hey guys, let's see how you can have your Tapo C310 running on an Android. Here I have a Samsung device. This is a Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus, but it works with any Samsung, okay? So the first thing that I have to do is just download the app, the Tapo app. So just go to the store and here search for Tapo. Let's go here, just enter Tapo and then look for TP-Link Tapo. That's the one. You can just download the app for free, create an account, create a password, then you can just log in with your account. I already have my account here and already logged in. So the first time that you log in, you're gonna see a big button here asking you to add a new camera, or you can come here to the top and add a camera from here. So just add a device. And here you're going to look for the camera, the Tapo C310. It's an outdoor camera, so I just come here to outdoor cameras. And out of the box, the camera is going to be flashing, so you just need to look for Tapo C310 here and select wireless. That's the way I'm gonna set up this camera. And as I was saying, the camera is flashing here already, the green and red LED. So it's good to go. I just hit here next to continue. Now you see this animation here. So basically the camera is going to connect to the phone, and then the phone needs to give the camera the information to connect to the Wi-Fi. So here I just select the Wi-Fi that I use here. That's my router and the password. So I just hit next and I confirm here.
Connecting to Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi connected.
There we go. As you can hear, it's connected to the Wi-Fi, and the LED here should change to steady green. It takes some time, but it changes to green. Then you can name your camera and continue with the setup. There we go. Now you just name your camera and hit next. Select a location and select an icon. There we go. The setup is complete. It sounds good. I'm just put the camera back there so you can see some motion. And here just hit sounds good. Here's the 30-day trial for the cloud. If you want to record with the cloud, there's this free trial for 30 days, and after 30 days you can pay the monthly fee to keep recording to the cloud if you want to. It's not mandatory, so I'll just dismiss this. And then you can use the SD card. I have a Tapo hub here on my network. I'm going to set up later. And here is the SD card. I already have a micro SD card there in the camera, so I just hit got it. Here's the firmware update. The camera is going to update between 3 a.m. and 5 a.m. I just hit got it. And the camera is good to go. So here I see Tapo C310 and other Tapo cameras that I have here in the same app. So basically the app can handle different cameras at the same time. So just hit here, the Tapo C310. Here's some information about events, about alerts, and then I get the camera working, okay? So pretty simple. The camera identifies the micro SD card that's there. I can format the micro SD card and start using it. And from here, you can just take screenshots. You can also record directly into the cell phone and just stop recording here. And the camera is going to record all the time in the SD card, right? Here you can also control the privacy mode, control the alarms, and also talk to somebody close to the camera and vice versa. There's a microphone back there in the camera and also a speaker, so somebody close to the camera can talk to you. Here you have the playback and download. Everything is being recorded to the SD card by detection, as you can see here. So by events, so it detects events and records here, and you can just watch it, right? So super simple. And then you're gonna have all the settings just right here. You can take a look and learn everything about the settings here, right? Including the storage and recordings. That is just right here with the local storage. The camera starts recording right away. As soon as you set it up, it starts recording already because SD card, it's here, it's good. It has loop recording, which means the camera is going to record all the time with a cycle, and is going to delete old videos and record the new ones. And it's also already with the main schedule to record by motion detection, and it comes with the detection already enabled for motion and person. You can adjust here the sensitivity from 1 to 10. The camera comes already with 6, which is a good one, and we'll start recording right away. Okay, so I hope that helps. That's the way you can set up your Tapo C310 or any other Tapo camera on an Android device, right? So I hope that helps. Leave your comments here, subscribe to the channel, give your thumbs up, and I see you in the next video.